Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel and I am back with a new video. Today I'm gonna be sharing a new brand on my channel. You guys know I cover everything from fitness, fashion, beauty, and of course I love to save you some coins. So if you want to see what it is that I'm currently obsessing over, as well as a couple of oldies but goodies, stay tuned. Okay y'all, let's just jump right into it. Today I am going to be reviewing Soho Vision glasses. You guys know I wear contacts, I wear glasses, so I wanted to give them a try, and I just want to just tell you first how they came packaged. They came in a box. They also came pretty well protected, as you can see, and then they came with this, which is like a little kit. So you have like a portable holder, and then you also have a cleaner. Okay, so I thought that was pretty good. I am always a sucker for packaging, and I thought that they were packaged pretty well. Honestly, the shipping took like around, I want to say like 10 days to 2 weeks, because I do believe they are out of China, although they do partner with the US as well as Italy, so that they can get their designs and their materials. So as always, I'm actually going to put these on and share with you a lot of the details and the things that I love about them. So the first ones, you guys already know. I just got married to my wife, so you know I am LGBT all day, pride baby, and these are really cute. So I always say it, whenever you wear glasses, it's okay to show your expression with your glasses, especially nowadays where a lot of people still choose to wear their masks. You can actually wear this with the mask and you can make a statement. I love fashion exactly for that reason, to make a statement. So if I can make a statement with my glasses, then so be it. So about these glasses, get into it. For me, I really like big over framed glasses. I think they do wonders for my face. I like how they made them. They're like that kind of plasticky feel, like the plastic frames, but they're kind of see-through. I hope you can catch that on camera. They kind of show through, and I thought that was a really cute feature. I prefer glasses like this because I don't really like the ones that go on my nose sometimes after wearing them all day, because I absolutely need my glasses or contacts to see, period. Girl, these are cute. Tell me that you are in the life without telling me you're in the life. Now the last pair I just showed you, they're called Revive. These ones are called Dynamite. So I do want you to know that on their website you can filter through all the glasses by the kind of frame that they have, whether they're cat eye, they're rectangle, whether you want the blue vision blockers, like these are the blue lens blockers, or if you want like standards, progressive, like they have different options. And I believe that these frames, y'all, they start as low as like $4.99. But yeah, girl, the lenses you can get as low as like $9.99. I'm gonna put these on because I do understand not everyone wants to be so out the box and so risque. But look how cute these are. You see, I can get down with glasses like this too, because sometimes I want to have that sophisticated flair, but I don't want to necessarily have on like just black frames or just brown frames. I like glasses like this that somewhat look traditional, but they still have a bit of spunk. What I mean by that is like the colors, right? So you have the orange on the top, you have like a light taupe on the bottom. Now, these ones are called Natalia. These ones actually come in a few different colors. Now this one I really like, again, giving you that kind of traditional shape with the rectangle, but also they're not so plain. So if you wanted like just a bold frame, they are thick, they are bold. Again, they have that ombre and they have that kind of see-through look. So I really do love these plasticky kind of frames. But Soho Vision, what I found out is that they have been around for over 10 years. They are woman founded, so shout out to them. I love that. But they really want to afford everyone the opportunity to have luxurious kind of glasses that are well made, that they're not flimsy, and that they don't have to break the bank. Okay, like I mentioned, most of these glasses are less than $20, and I know sometimes like you're like, oh well, what about the lenses? Y'all can get lenses as low as $10. So like these are affordable. Now a lot of people are always wondering about the blue lenses. The whole purpose of the blue lenses is that it's supposed to help you against those rays, like from your computer screen, like from your cell phone. So some people experience headaches because of the hold up, before I can even continue, Do y'all see this? I already knew this was going to be lit. I didn't know it was going to be lit. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am this level of extra, okay? They have so many different options on the website. So depending on where you fall on the scale, you could be really traditional, really low key, or you can be really gaudy and really extra. I love these. Y'all, am I serving Beyonce or what? Like, am I serving Miss Tina Knowles? Like, I don't know. I get diva from these, y'all. Like, these are so extra. I love these. These are my favorite, obviously, of the whole haul. These ones are called Crush, and I'm crushing on them. I just really adore the really exaggerated cat eye, so I'm loving that. I'm loving the bling. I'm gonna be wearing these everywhere, okay? Like, these are so freaking cute, and they don't feel too heavy, which I'm surprised about, because with all of the bling and the rhinestones, I thought they would have been heavier than, you know, they actually are. But anyways, back to the blue lenses. They're just supposed to help you with the eye strain from being in front of screens all day, and some people have reported they help with the headaches and all like that. I have one more, and again, everything is on that website. There's something for everyone. These ones are super duper different and fancy. What are these ones called? These ones are called Flicker. Okay, so these ones are very inexpensive as well, but again, they don't look like it. It kind of has like a more weight to your feel. I really dig this one because it's so different. I've never seen glasses that are like matte. Do you see that? These glasses are kind of matte and they look really ordained. Like, look at this. Like, how extra. I love them, but they're kind of serving like a Harry Potter kind of swag. Like I don't know, like I'm coming for you. Like, I'm fashion, I'm professional, but I have like that little umph in me, you know? I got that little umph to let you know that, like, I am that girl. So I like these too. I am very surprised. I think I could really rock this. I am feeling it. So far, I 100% do recommend Soho Vision. Their prescription is pretty on point. I will make more videos for you guys with this brand. If you are interested, leave a comment down below. Also comment if you've ever tried them so that you can let everyone else know what your experience was. Okay, so next we're going to talk about an oldie but goodie. It is Dossier. Those who don't know, it is a brand that specializes in high-end designer fragrances at a very, very, very low cost. And I'm pretty sure it's because they don't have the name brand attached, but they do use the same kind of ingredients. Ingredients are from France and they're quite nice. So let's just get into it. The first one we're going to talk about here is the AROMATIC Star Anise. This one is a dupe for Dior Sauvage. Now, we know that's like the F-boy scent. That's what the internet is saying, but I think it smells really good. In fact, I want you guys to check out Dossier's site. Do not stay on the women's side of things. Check out the guy sides or the unisex section. One of my favorite colognes that my wife wears is YSL Homme, and we figured out that it smelled like really good, and I do believe it has notes of bergamot and velvetier. So when I went to Dossier's site, I took the quiz and I saw that other options that they sell also have it. That's how we came across this one. And you're going to spend anywhere from $29, $49, or $59. It just depends on which item you choose to go with, because again, they are using those same quality ingredients. Bergamot for a top note. It has pepper, so it's going to be a little spicy. It also has lavender, nutmeg, and patchouli, amberwood. Ooh, y'all, this smells so good. I don't know why it has such a bad rap on social media. Why is that? I guess because it's like one of the popular colognes, so I guess a lot of guys wear it. This smells delicious. This is definitely a compliment getter, and it's not too harsh. It's not too peppery. This one is Labo. It's Santal 33. I haven't smelled it before, like at the counter or anything, but I do know online it's a lot of money. It's like $100 for a little bottle. So again, you get 50 milliliters. This one is called Woody Sandalwood because it has violet leaves, cardamom, orris, ambrox, cedarwood, musk, sandalwood. So already I know it's going to be really woodsy like the name says. So woo, yeah, okay. You know what? I don't hate it. Oh, it's the cardamom. I have another fragrance by Jo Malone that this smells just like it, and that has cardamom in it too. So, okay, this is very spicy. Worst case scenario, you don't like the way it smells, you don't like it, all you have to do is ship your bottle back. I believe you have 30 days and it's a worry-free guarantee. You get your money back or you can do an exchange. So there's really no losing here. I am very much in love again with Dossier. I will keep bringing you these videos. So if you guys have a favorite scent that's luxury, leave it down below. Even if it's not luxury, y'all, I'm not bougie like that. Leave me a comment of your favorite fragrance. I would love to check it out and see if Dossier has it so I can give it a try. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I love bringing you guys new things to check out, and I'm gonna put the links to everything that I got down below, as well as any coupon codes that I can find, because you know I gotta hook y'all up. I am gonna be uploading a whole lot more of the Amazon finds, because y'all, I am falling in love with Amazon. Like, I've already used it all the time for other stuff, but now I can buy my clothes on there, my hair on there, my makeup, my glasses. Like, y'all, it's getting ridiculous. Really, it is. But anyways, I will put the link down below to my Amazon storefront so you guys can check out some of my faves. Now, if you don't already follow me on this channel, stop what you're doing. Please do that, as well as my fitness and vlog channels. I'll put the links down below, and share this video with a friend. I make videos for my curvy and plus size women to look good, feel good, and just all the way be good. So yeah, if that's something you're into, definitely you're welcomed here. Become a part of the crew. Do not forget to find me on Instagram. My new Instagram name is @ChrissyTheDoll_official, as well as TikTok is Chrissy the Doll, and I also have Facebook, a blog, whatever social medias y'all are on. Find the links down below. Come say hi. I am here as a resource, and I would love to connect with y'all. So that's really it. I want to say thank you again all for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.